What's the meaning of bail? Bail. Bail.
Bail. Bail. The term bail can have different meanings depending on the context. Generally, it means to release someone from custody before they stand trial. Bail is a legal agreement between the accused and the court, where the accused agrees to attend all future court appearances in exchange for their release. However, if they fail to show up, the amount of money posted as collateral for their release is forfeited. Bail also refers to money or property that is used as security to guarantee that the accused will appear in court. The amount of bail varies depending on the severity of the crime and the likelihood of the accused fleeing.